sky has cleared and I was able to finish the top on the desk this week. I am so elated. It's been a very, very long build, especially since I had that shoulder injury a couple months ago. So in this video I show you how I finish and put together the top. I also made cleats for the underside of the table, or in other words, cleats to hold the top onto the desk. If you remember back in part 2 or 3, I think, I actually made the mortises for the cleats and finally got around to making them this past week. After I assembled the top, I wanted to reinforce the main joint, so I put 2 pieces of wood on the back, and I used an impact driver to put in the screws, because they're those screws that have the square heads, and I didn't have a proper bit that would fit in my old brace, so I didn't want to break the jaws on my brace, and I used an impact driver. So hopefully you will forgive me for that. I know this is a hand tool channel, but every once in a while I do have to resort to the modern equipment. And that's about it. Everything else is really self-explanatory with this one, because it's pretty much just a repeat of the same processes over and over again. But I hope you enjoy it, and I should be able to put a video of the entire desk all done probably the week after next. I still have to put a couple more coats of oil and then wax the whole thing. But I will put a video online giving a whole tour of the entire desk so you can see how it turned out. Thanks very much for sticking with me. I really appreciate everyone that's been watching this build and that have newly subscribed over the last couple weeks. Please subscribe if you haven't already and hit the like button for me. I'd appreciate it. And keep checking in. I'll be uploading videos every week as usual. Thanks again. Bye. Yeah.
Papa,